Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to reset the oil light. Turn the ignition to accessory without starting the engine and press the brake once. Navigate the menu with the arrow buttons on the steering wheel until you find Oil Life or Vehicle Settings. Select Reset and hold the OK button for about 10 seconds until the display confirms the reset. Verify the light turns off and restart the engine to confirm. Begin by placing the key in accessory mode and not starting the car, then use the steering wheel buttons to access settings. Find Oil Life or Maintenance menu and select it, watching the display for prompts. Press and hold the OK or Reset button for several seconds until the screen confirms the reset. Turn the ignition off and then start the engine to ensure the oil light is no longer illuminated on the dash. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple car tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes post-maintenance drives more pleasant. You can find the link and other deals in the description, and it really brightens the cabin after a service day. Now let's get back to the video. If the oil light remains after a reset, repeat the exact procedure once more to ensure success. Avoid using the battery disconnect as a first fix because it can reset radios and other settings unexpectedly. If you see an oil pressure warning or the light returns frequently, have a mechanic inspect the oil level, filter, and pressure sensor to ensure there is no underlying engine problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.